Hello, good afternoon guys and welcome back to my channel. So after 15 hours of flight, 15 hours layover in Dubai airport, I'm already here in Kenya, in Nairobi. So from Dubai to Nairobi is less than 5 hours. So I'm gonna show you my room. This is the Tamarind Hotel. So I'm gonna turn on the lights pala. Remote down ko. So, hindi ko alam. I think I have to saksak the, see, isasaksak ko muna itong ating card. Ayan. Tignan nyo naman guys, ang shower nila. Medyo okay. Tapos ang brand ng kanilang shampoo and gel is Barcula Soul. Tapos nandito yung toilet bowl. And we have hand wash lotion, amenity kits. Guys, nandiyan na yung ko. Dito yung bag ko. Dinala na nila. And then, meron din tayong mga dito. Mga coffee, tea. Ito ang bed. Meron pa slippers. Ayan. Closet. Tapos, meron silang pamigay na bracelet. O, relax daw. So guys, magre-relax muna ako at medyo wala akong tulog. And then, siguro nandito na rin yung mga ibang kasama ko. Thank you so much. And, Karibu Kenya. So guys, medyo pagod ang paa natin. I-try natin tong binili ko sa Dubai Airport na leg massager. Actually, mainam din to sa blood clots at saka knee pain. So may power on siya. Baka hindi pa yata naka-charge to. Oh. Ayan. Here. Ayan. Nakapag-relax. Okay.
That's very good, Charmaine. You go work and you at the same time you travel.
Good morning, Nairobi. Mga ka-adventures, ito yung view ng hotel ko. Tamarind Hotel. October 4, 2025. So may walking tour kami ngayon. Nandiyan yung tour guide namin. Naghahanap pa kami ng iba pa namin mga kasama. It's 10 o'clock guys. Sa Guru tour. Ilagay ko yung description dito below. Dito ako sa library, mga ka-adventure. Tingnan niyo naman yung mga books na preserve nila noon pa. Bili tayo ng souvenirs. Parliament building. And we are here on top of the Kenyan Convention Center. So $5 lang ang entrance. Morning guys, mag-check out na kami. Bali, pupunta na kami sa Masai. Malapit lang yung airport dito. And then, umpisa na kami mag-game drive. Hi guys, finally reached here in Masai Mara. So from Nairobi, nag-drive kami ng mga 6 hours to 7 hours. So it's currently like 3:30. Magpapahinga na kami ng konti and then mag-game drive na.
Facing the May answers ang stairway.
It's like 3 of them.
There are many. More than three.
More. Yeah, right there. 2, 3 of them.
Yeah. Two little ones.
Three.
Three.
Little ones?
Yeah.
Yes.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
I only saw.
No, they are.
Oh, this one is a
Oh my God! Look at the other one. It's so big over there. With the babies. It's so tall.
There are 6 babies.
Kailangan ko lang itong makakatake ng picture kahit layo. Pre-practice ko na yun eh, kaso mabigat.
Ay, yung bago mo?
Yeah, baka pagalitan ako.
Hi, good morning guys. October 6th here in Sopa Lodge. So, bale, pakita ko sa inyo yung view. Ayan. So, medyo mahina yung lighting natin. Actually, it's 5:15 in the morning. So, kagabi, katatapos lang ang game drive namin. Naligo ako. Actually, ang lumalabas sa shower, mainit na tubig. So, basically, parang hindi ako nakabanlaw. Nag-shampoo, nag-conditioner, lahat na hindi ako nagbanlaw. So, buti nila yung kasama ko, binigyan ako ng kettle, yung pot na parang pangkape, pang mainit na tubig. Yun yung ginamit ko. So, nagtabo-tabo na lang ako dun sa sink. So, ngayon, sabi ko, mag-internet na ako kasi wala rin kaming internet sa loob. Magpo-post na lang muna ako ng picture habang nagkakape-kape. So, ang breakfast is 6 o'clock pa. So, see you later, guys. Ito ang view ng aming accommodation, guys. The accommodation is called Mara Sopa Lodge. So 2 nights kami dito. Katatapos ang namin mag-breakfast. We are going again for another game drive. So medyo maaga akong nagising. Last night I took a shower. Tapos ang lumalabas sa shower very very hot water steam. Pagbukas ng kasama ko umuusok-usok pa. So ang ginawa ko, binigyan niya ako ng kettle. Tapos doon na lang ako kumuha ng tubig sa sink. Tapos yun na lang ang ginawa kong tabo. Anyway, nakaraos naman guys. And yeah, I'll see you later.
Layo, ang init. Bigo. Puro pa doon.
Sana kami.
Ate. Teresa. Landscape. Masay Mara.
So they stay outside the whole night because they're driven.
I don't want to take pictures of them. I want to see them when they open their
So
mouth.
in the
That's
morning,
how you distinguish.
as the day breaks, they come in the
skin is very fresh. Yes. So they don't want to get a lot of sun.
That's why I'm waiting for them to one of them open their mouth.
So, maghahanap kami ng hippo, guys.
Into that trench. But they were found,
Hello!
and we got a lot of guests from America because of his story. So that area.
So good morning guys, we're here in Masai Mara International Airport. We're flying back to Nairobi. Tapos from Nairobi, we're gonna drive to Amboseli. Bye! Take care, Tobigo! Hi! We're in Masai Mara International Airport. There. Ate Lisa. Guys, I think nandito na yung aming accommodation. So, first time ko sumakay ng ganitong plane. Mga ka-adventures, we're here in Amboseli now. And this is our home for the next 2 days. Yeah, this is our room. Next 2 days. Bathroom. Diba? Ganda. Amenities. And the shower.